Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Saima Tunoli and we will be doing the exercise today as we have completed the chapter. In this exercise, we have six questions in all. In those questions are your work pages, which you will be writing in your notebooks. Question number 1 is that is of fill in the blanks. In that we have A. First War of Independence was fought in 1857. B. The Sultan of Turkey was regarded as a caliph by most of the Muslims of the world. C. Quaid-e-Azam was the ambassador of unity, as he was given this title also. D. The Government of India Act was passed in 1935. E. Lahore Resolution was moved by Mr. A.K. Fazlul Haq. Then we have question number 2 that consists of the multiple choice questions. In that we have first one, A. When was the word ideology first coined? Answer is first one, that is 1796. First time this word was given. B. Who was the first president of Muslim League? That is Sir Aga Khan. C. In which city was the Muslim League founded in 1906? That is in ढाका. और ये याद रखिएगा कि 1908 में इसकी एक ब्रांच लंदन में इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी. D. Which paper was published in 1933? That is the white paper. C is what name was given to plan for India's partition? That was the 3rd June plan. It is given this name because it was this date when it was decided that India should be partitioned. Then we have question number 3, which consists of true and false. In that, first one is Sir Syed established a translation society in 1864. This is true. B. Lahore Resolution was presented in May 23rd, 1940. False. इसका अगर सही बताएं तो that is March 23rd, 1940. Allama Iqbal was a great supporter of Hindu-Muslim unity. False, as this was basically the title of Quaid-e-Azam. D. Quaid-e-Azam was the first Governor General and Allama Iqbal was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. First one is correct. That is, he was the first Governor General, but Allama Iqbal was not the first Prime Minister. That was Liaquat Ali Khan. So this is false. E is in March 1947, Lord Mountbatten was appointed as a Viceroy in place of Lord Wavell in the subcontinent. That is true, and he was the last Viceroy. Then we have question number 4, that is match the column from A to B. A is our Indian Muslim. B. Sir William Hunter. Second is Congress. B में इसका आंसर है a Hindu political party. Third one is partition of Bengal. Answer in B is 1905. Fourth is Lucknow Pact. In B we have the answer as Hindu-Muslim alliance. And fifth one is First World War. That is in 1914 it started and it ended in 1918. Now we have the short questions in question number 5. Again, you will be writing these two in the notebook or in your register. You have to maintain or write down these answers and maintain a register. It will be convenient for you by the end of the year to learn all these things easily when they will be compiled in a register. At the same time, by writing on these notebooks, you will be learning it as well. क्योंकि जब आप अपने हाथ से लिख के चीज़ें रखते हैं तो आप उनको याद भी कर लेते हैं, आपको याद भी हो जाती हैं. So these are the short questions we have in question number we can say 5. First is write any two objectives of the Muslim League. We have the answer on page number 7 of your book. We have at least 3 to 4 objectives. Write all of them, क्योंकि जब आप लिखते हैं आप भूल भी जाते हैं तो एटलीस्ट आपको 2 याद रहेंगे हर सूरत में. जितने भी हैं 3 हैं 4 हैं आपने सारे लिखने हैं. Then we have question number 2, that is why Indian Muslim launch Khilafat movement. The answer for this is on in the book, that is on page number 12. और पेज नंबर 12 में आपका सेकंड पैराग्राफ है. Therefore in 1919 Muslims of India launched a movement. ये आपने पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना होगा till leaders of the Khilafat movement तक. You have to write this all. Then we have question number third one, see when World War ended. They have not mentioned specifically which World War, so we will be writing the both. That is आपकी जो first World War थी, it started from 1914 and ended in 1918. Second World War started in 1939 and it ended in 1945. So you have at the moment you will be writing both these. मगर जब पेपर में जो भी वो पूछेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम आंसर कर देंगे. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर का पूछ रहे हैं या सेकंड का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज that is name the most important demands of the Simla deputation. Simla deputation की most important demand क्या थी? That was basically the right of this separate electorates. That is you will be writing that and explaining that. Then we have question number 5. Why was Boundary Commission formed and who was the head? Answer to that is again you will be writing it from the last portion in which we have this division of the subcontinent, and in that you will be writing this as Lord Mountbatten appointed Cyril Redcliffe and he gave him this task. He was a British parliamentarian and he was supposed to give award list of for by 14th of August, but he delayed it for 3 days and presented the award list on 17th August 1947. This is on page number 9. So these are your short questions which you will be writing in your notebook. Then going next to your lengthy question. In lengthy question we have these question number 6, that is A. What is ideology? Explain ideology of Pakistan and its significance. You have this on page number 20. This is your complete answer for the lengthy question. Then we have question number 2. Analyze the role of Aligarh movement in the making of Pakistan. That is again on page number 2 that in your book, that is Aligarh movement. Then question number C3, describe the factors which were responsible for founding the Muslim League. That is again on page number 6. Write it down or learn it. आप वैसे इसको मार्क कर लें अगर चाहते हैं तो, कॉपी में लिखना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन, बट द फर्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू राइट इन द कॉपी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज डिस्कस Government of India Act. Where was the what were the salient features of the act? This is on page number 16. And last one is give a detailed account of the Khilafat movement, which effects it had on the Muslims of Indo-Pakistan subcontinent, why did it fail? The answer is on page number 11. These are your lengthy questions. And now the task for that will be given to you is, you will be writing the first 5 questions in your notebook. That is the work pages comprising the 4 first questions, and the 5th one is the short questions. And at the same time, please try to learn these question answers, as there will be plenty in the future for you to learn. तो आप इसको साथ साथ अगर याद करते रहें तो it will be convenient. In all, they are short questions are 5, so try to learn it and learn the MCQs and the objective portion as well. So this is all for today. Thanks a lot.